All right, this is the Nothing Phone 4A Pro. And yeah, it looks different. But here's the real question. Is it actually better or just different? Let's start with the design. Nothing is still doing what no one else is doing. That transparent back, instantly recognizable. But this time it feels more polished, more premium. And the Glyph lights, they're not just for show anymore. You can customize them for calls, notifications, even apps. So without even touching your phone, you already know what's happening. It sounds small, but it actually changes how you use your phone every day. Now, the display. It's smooth, sharp, and super responsive. Scrolling feels fast. Animations are clean. Watching videos or gaming? No complaints at all. And brightness is strong enough to handle outdoor use easily. Now, performance, because this is where it really matters. And honestly, this phone is fast. Apps open instantly. Switching between apps feels effortless. Even gaming runs smooth without major drops. And a big reason for that is Nothing OS. This is easily one of the cleanest Android experiences right now. No bloatware, no annoying ads, no clutter. Just a minimal, smooth interface that feels intentional. It's simple, but in a good way. Now, let's talk camera, because this is where most mid-range phones struggle. But the 4A Pro does a solid job. Photos are sharp, colors look natural, and dynamic range is actually impressive. Low light? Not perfect, but definitely usable. And video is stable enough for everyday shooting. It's not trying to beat flagship phones, but for the price, it delivers. Battery life? No stress here. You're getting a full day easily, even with heavy use. Social media, videos, calls, gaming, it holds up. And when it's time to charge, it's fast enough to get you back in action quickly. So, should you buy it? Here's the honest answer. If you want something flashy just for attention, there are other options. But if you want a phone that's clean, fast, reliable, and actually feels different in a good way, this is one of the best mid-range phones right now. Nothing didn't just make a phone that looks cool. They made a phone that feels better to use. Minimal on the outside, powerful where it counts.